generation, which is such a critical piece of any retail business. I think there's all these use cases from personalization or digital human or demand generation. There are many use cases that AI can truly help businesses take advantage of. As I think about examples, the denim clothing company Levi, they are testing AI fashion models with different skin colors, ages, and body type. And they're partnering with a Dutch digital fashion firm called LaLaLand.ai to present hyper realistic models. So companies are partnering with vendors or other AI organization to see how they can advertise. Especially Levi is looking at advertising each clothing item with one human model. And in the future, they're thinking about showcasing products using body inclusive avatar, which we were talking about diversity, and really thinking, letting the customers be able to pick an avatar that represents their physique, expression, and individual poses. It's really trying to relate to the consumer. And I truly believe that maybe AI will never fully replace human models for the company, but having digital model will create some kind of personal and inclusive shopping experience. And another really great example, which I came across, was Walmart. They're using AI to impact and improve their customer experiences, and they're actually creating and developing conversation AI capabilities. And I think that conversation AI has been used in many industries, but Walmart is using it to create the multi-layered solution, so they can actually span across several areas of their business to support customers, members, associates, drivers, and market sellers. And I think this kind of trend where consumers or the retail industries are using the voice shopping or chatbots to really engage with their consumer to give a better consumer experience is what artificial intelligence really truly helps us, and help remove the biases or help create the relatability is really what I think the AI promises to bring to this industry. As we close the show, any last thoughts on, if somebody's hesitant to use AI, what would you say, and why should they jump in and engage with AI as a retail organization?
I think possibilities are unlimited for AI. I think for you to survive and compete in the world going forward, you have to look into the technologies such as AI to push yourself further, and otherwise you will be left behind compared to your competition. So if you want to survive, if you want to advance, you got to use AI models, in all the aspects that we just talked about, from consumer experiences to back-end operations to help desk to, you name it.
I agree.
Yeah.
I couldn't agree more. I talk about really thinking of jumping in is important. Working with technology is really important. Engaging with technology, the understanding how it can really help is really important, but really thinking about the value it can bring you. Start right and understand where you are, and then learn about how you can be ready to use and create the value. Business value comes first, and building the AI flywheel. I talk about really understanding the problem first, what you're solving, what the value it brings, and then think about what data you need, the right set of data that can create the value for you. So really think about how you're going to build your AI flywheel within your organization, with keeping the business and value on top of your mind. So Sowmya, thank you so much for joining. I always have a pleasure talking to you. I wish you all the best with everything you are doing with your organization in AI. And thank you for joining us today, everyone who's listening. It's really important that you engage with AI. Send us notes, ask us questions. We will try to cover that in our next episode. We look forward to bringing you more thought-provoking discussions, cutting-edge news, expert insights from our industry in next episode. Please go to the LinkedIn to subscribe and follow. Also, check out the links and resources that are in the show notes. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure you share this and share it in the social media, or share it with somebody you care about. And that's all for this episode. I'm your host, Asha Saxena. This is the AI Talk Show. See you next time.